Hello everyone and welcome in today's video. In today's video, I'll be demonstrating to you guys how we boil our peanuts in the diaspora. So here in the pot is a peanut that has been soaked for about 4 hours, dry peanuts. Specifically, after 4 hours, I washed it and I put it in the pot. Right now, it's not time for fresh peanuts. So let's watch, guys, as I boil this peanut. So that is how we do in the diaspora in order for us to have peanuts to eat. Watch, guys, from the start to the end. Thank you. So go ahead and cover it and turn the stove on. Let's watch and see how the end will look like. This peanut can be soaked overnight and boiled the next day. You can soak it in any time that you want. This is my method. For all of you in the diaspora, whether you are in France, Germany, Britain, Canada, Italy, Russia, let me know, how do you boil your own peanuts? For us to have fresh peanuts here is difficult and expensive. You will see my method of boiling this peanut. If you have another method, tell us in the comment section. Guys, so our peanut is ready. We'll go ahead and take it off the fire, okay? Boil it for about 10 minutes. And then you take it off the fire. So we'll turn it off. Look at how it looks like. Let's meet in the comment section so that you tell us how you boil your own peanuts. Guys, I hope you like it. This is the end of it. I want to say thank you for watching it from the start to the end. And I don't take it for granted. Please check your notification button. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. Like, comment, and let me know in the comment section what you want to see next. Thank you. Bye.